Baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Absolute chaos. The robots are out of control. Part 1.
Come and see! Our robots don't bite!
Watch the King of Doves drone soar up high into the sky.
Don't pass up your chance to buy, or else you might just cry.
Oinkers Automatic Food Processor. Free your hands and perfect your craft.
The annual Robot Expo was held in Forestville. In Forestville's town square, robots performed stunts for the animals. Robots of different shapes and sizes were flying, running, and dancing the hula to music. If you could dream it, they could do it. The noise reached the Forestville police station and attracted Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman.
Hey now, the Robot Expo is buzzing with excitement. Let's go for a stroll over there during our lunch break, Lab.
Okay. Oh?
Sheriff Labrador, help me! My son Chickaboo is missing!
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman arrived at the location of the caller, Madame Hannah the hen, in no time flat.
Madam Hannah, calm down. Please, tell us everything that happened up to the point your son Chickaboo disappeared.
Early this morning, Chickaboo...
Peep, peep. Mom, I want to go to the Robot Expo. I want to go to the Robot Expo.
Oh, wait a minute, sweetheart. I'm baking a cake. I'll take you there later this afternoon, okay? Now, be a good boy and let Mommy focus.
Peep, peep. But the Pangolin Sport Utility Robot Show will only be held this morning. Take me there now, please, Mom.
Oh, stop messing around, sweetheart. I don't want the cake to burn. We'll talk about it later.
Okay then.
I was busy baking a cake, but when I looked around for him a while later, I realized that Chickaboo was gone! Sheriff Labrador, please help me find my son!
Don't panic, Madam Hannah. Dobie, let's inspect Chickaboo's bedroom first to see whether we can find anything that will help point us in the right direction.
Chickaboo's bedroom was a mess. The closet doors were open, and his clothes were strewn about here and there and everywhere.
Hey now, Madam Hannah, did you do this?
No, I didn't. I was looking around the house for Chickaboo when I noticed the bedroom was a mess. That's when I called you.
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman then looked at each other, frowning.
Madam Hannah, please check the room to see if any valuables are missing.
Air conditioner, clothes, and Chickaboo's little piggy bank. Nope. Oh, wait! Chickaboo's backpack and hat are not here.
Backpack and hat? Hey now, could Chickaboo have gone out on his own?
Gone out on his own? Oh, right. Chickaboo kept saying he wanted to go to the Robot Expo. Oh, don't tell me he went there without me. Oh, there's too much traffic on the road, and he might get lost. Oh, that's too dangerous.